If you're seeking something to go on an adventurous expedition, look no further than the 27 North in the US. This year they have an impressive offering based on the Ford F550, featuring a 6.7-litre V8 engine that's truly remarkable. Here's a glimpse of what it entails. A 1200-watt solar charging system, multiple areas including a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom and a bedroom, a double bed, handmade walnut cabinets, heating, air conditioning and induction stove, and a water supply of 416 litres. This exceptional vehicle comes with a hefty price tag, reaching up to $1 million depending on the features and personal preferences. As a review aptly put it, it's a non-standard automobile for discerning clients. The creators of this model have ingeniously blended the mobility of campers with the comfort of motorhomes. The impressive result is the S1 model, effortlessly towed by a Ford F250, and capable of transforming into a spacious living area of 34 square meters within just 15 minutes. The Edge 1 system controls all the essential functions, acting as a smart housekeeper that can also warn you of smoke, break-ins and other emergencies. The layout uses every centimeter effectively, providing a comfortable space for year-round relaxation, living and work. With various interior options, self-leveling in parking lots, and solar panels, all of this comes at a price tag of $85,000. Do you think it's a fair price? The creators of this motorhome proudly proclaim it's designed to amaze. The RC12M is among the top options in its class and is built on the Volvo F8 chassis, boasting a powerful 540 horsepower engine. The layout can be customized according to the customer's preferences. By default, it features a built-in garage, a 7-meter sunshade, and swivel rear wheels, providing added maneuverability for its 12-meter length. Additionally, it comes equipped with the Mera electronic water management system, wireless charging for smartphones, an electric flush toilet, and a glass sunroof. Stylish, comfortable, and undeniably luxurious, this motorhome comes with a hefty price tag of $800,000. Here is an impressive camper from Australia, hailed as the pearl of its model range. This family version seamlessly blends comfort with off-road capabilities. Noteworthy features include wirelessly adjustable suspension and standard equipment like a refrigerator, a stove, AC, and a heater. Despite its length of up to 7 meters, the manufacturer offers over 30 layouts to choose from, accommodating up to 7 people comfortably for overnight stays. For more exclusivity, custom-made sheets, quilts, and quilt covers are available. However, prepare to make a substantial investment, as it comes with a price tag of around $130,000. Elon Musk knows how to do business. Tesla's Cybertruck is not yet in production, but has already earned hundreds of millions of dollars in pre-orders. Meanwhile, the Space Campers team is ready to turn these weird, angular, and interesting cars into fully fledged motorhomes. That's what they'll look like. For $24,000, customers will get a 213-kilogram structure in which they can relax or work. The layout can be easily changed, even a toilet can be installed. There are power outlets and USB ports, and the ceiling height reaches 2.4 meters. No modifications nor welding or drilling are required, so customers will be able to do the installation themselves. However, If you're still worried about your skills, Space Campers will take care of it for free. All you need to do is come to their headquarters. People have different passions. While some choose to invest in sports cars, others opt for thoroughbred horses. Interestingly, their prices can be quite similar. For instance, a horse named Pegasus was once sold for a staggering $70 million. To cater to horse enthusiasts, motorhome manufacturers have created specialized models with stables. For example, this blue one can accommodate up to 4 horses. These motorhomes are equipped with water, fans, showers, lighting, rubber-coated floors, ramps and other amenities, and offer living rooms, kitchens, showers and other standard areas for up to 6 people to spend the night. The price for such luxury is around $155,000. Experience a unique mobile hotel adventure in Morocco and Portugal. A 7-day tour costs $830 per person. But this isn't just a typical joyride. It's an opportunity to chase waves along scenic beach routes with expert coaches available for beginners. The price includes breakfast, daily cleaning services, amenities like Wi-Fi and air conditioning, as well as transfers from the station or airport. Accommodation options include private rooms with single or double beds, or bunk beds reminiscent of hostels. In addition to surfing, you can also enjoy yoga classes, swimming, and explore local villages through guided tours. A review called this camper a cosmic marvel, and for good reason. After the transformation, the interior space increases by 92%, from 7 to 13.5 square meters. What's more, this space is equipped with a shower, a toilet, a kitchen, a living room, and all the usual amenities, including a 200 by 147 centimeter queen-size bed. The price tag for the fully equipped version starts at around $33,000. Some of the most popular add-ons include a 45-litre refrigerator and a 75-litre water tank. If you value comfort, there's a house on wheels that fits the bill perfectly. This model is called Big Sky, and it offers 37 square meters of pure comfort. This rustic-style home measures 13 by 3 meters, and it's equipped with all the essential appliances, such as a washer and dryer, a dishwasher, a refrigerator, and a stove. The interior is divided into a porch, a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, a bedroom, and even an attic that can accommodate overnight guests. Producing this house will take approximately 14 to 16 weeks, and the price is around $100,000. Here's another enticing option for compact adventure enthusiasts. A removable camper designed for pickup trucks like the Toyota Tacoma, the Chevy Colorado, and the Ford Ranger. With a dry weight of up to 793 kilograms, this camper offers an innovative mounting system that eliminates the need for drilling or extensive modifications. When folded, it stands at 132 centimeters, and when unfolded, it extends to 234 centimeters. Standard features include an outside shower, a water heater, smoke and gas detectors, a stove, a sink, and other useful amenities. This camper is suitable for year-round use, and even includes special supports for parking lots to unload the suspension. It's priced at around $44,000. Germany is making waves with its latest innovation, the X-Bus. This compact and versatile electric vehicle can be transformed into a truck or a motorhome. Although it's classified as a quad bike, the X-Bus boasts impressive features. The camper version provides a range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge and comes with all-wheel drive, a roof with solar panels, a TV, a refrigerator, a stove, and other amenities. What's more, this vehicle is environmentally friendly and 95% of its components are recyclable. The price for this remarkable model remains around $41,000. How can a camper manufacturer stand out in a market where competitors offer options that are as good as luxury hotel rooms? A company from Sweden has found the answer and presented Tower, a 2-story motorhome with a roof terrace, a panoramic window, and a self-explanatory name. The entire front part is taken up by the kitchen, with an oven, an exclusive induction stove, ventilation with a grease filter, and a 40-litre water tank. The camper is the size of a small studio. Different layouts are available, and a heated shoe compartment and other essential options are included in the standard kit. However, the price is also pretty impressive. Depending on the version, it comes to $165,000. Looking for a versatile, compact house that suits both private country plots and large business ventures? For just $80,000, this house can be yours, offering a comfortable living space for 2 people. With a length of 8 meters and a width ranging from 2.6 to 3 meters, it's even more compact than many campers. Even the smallest version includes a living room, a bedroom, a kitchen, a bathroom, and a basic set of furniture and appliances. Production time is approximately 16 to 20 weeks, and the flexible layout allows for various projects, such as a mobile restaurant or a mobile jewelry store, to be accommodated. Innovation knows no bounds, and the UK has introduced a remarkable creation, a hotel on wheels. Instead of compact motorhomes, why not have an entire hotel experience on the go? This mobile hotel can be brought to any event, ensuring a profitable venture. Who wouldn't want to stay in a comfortable room with its own bathroom, heating, safe and free Wi-Fi? Although the room's size is modest, around 7.5 square meters, the designers have cleverly included transforming beds to accommodate up to 4 people. This mobile hotel has already delighted Formula One guests at Silverstone, placing them right at the heart of the action. The price per night is approximately $105. With a length of 13 meters, a height of over 4 meters, and a weight of 24 tons, this luxurious heavyweight comes with a price tag of approximately $370,000. Inside, it's like a fully fledged apartment where you could easily shoot a sequel to Friends. A 32-inch TV, a washing machine, an electric fireplace, and luxurious chairs reminiscent of a VIP room in a movie theater make you forget you're inside a motorhome. The attention to detail is exceptional, with high-quality finishes and abundant lighting throughout. Aptly named the Lux Elite, it's a testament to luxury. The only thing more luxurious is this version envisioned by AI. Who knows? Perhaps the next Lux model will look like this. If you've purchased a tractor unit, these folks have the perfect trailer solution for you, complete with all the amenities you need. With versatile applications, the 14-meter-long trailer offers 62 square meters of space, suitable for a mobile showroom, a cafe, or a medical aid station. Using the 3D configurator on the manufacturer's website, you can customize options like transparent walls, lighting, and air conditioning. Thanks to the remote control operation, a single person can transform the trailer within 20 minutes. Alternatively, if you don't need a trailer, they also offer cargo containers ranging from 8 to 13 meters with similar features and capabilities. Smart, unsinkable, autonomous, and even magical. The designers of this pod could go on and on praising their brainchild. It resembles a UFO and serves as a mobile home for the affluent and environmentally conscious. It's available for sale to private buyers, and it can serve as a hotel, a conference hall, or other business. With diameters starting at 9.4 meters, the 50 square meter pod features a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, and a lounge area with a solarium accommodating up to 12 people. It operates solely on solar power and produces no waste, with only treated water requiring disposal. The price for a night's stay is around $350, while owning your own pod costs over $500,000.